I took an insane paella class in Barcelona. We started with a brief tour of the market before heading into the kitchen. First, we fried up the seafood, starting with cigales, which are somewhere between a lobster and a crayfish. Next, I helped fry up the gambas, or prawns, and paella is all about building flavor in the pan that the rice is going to soak up. Lastly, we did some squid and cuttlefish before adding the rice to the pan. Next, the cuttlefish spleen was added, which is super briny and irony, and additionally, the ink was added to give it that deep black color along with some chili paste. After stirring all that flavor into the rice, a seafood stock is added, which that rice is going to cook in, and we added the squid, mussels, gambas, cigales back to the pan, and lastly, some saffron threads were crushed up. I mean, just look at this spread. A nice crust on top, and we are eating. It's insane how much depth of flavor is packed into one dish.